Experiencing rapid battery drain on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? You're not alone. Many users report this issue, even with normal use. The iPhone 17 has a 4,000 mAh battery, while the Pro Max features 5,000 mAh. The drain occurs from electrochemical reactions, accelerated by heat, high load, or inefficient software. Common culprits are screen usage, app behavior, and charging habits. A significant portion of users, around 20 to 30%, face this problem, resulting in the Pro Max lasting only 8 to 10 hours with mixed usage. Let's explore how to fix this. To fix battery drain on your iPhone 17, start with screen settings. Lower the brightness manually or enable auto brightness to let the phone adjust based on ambient light. Also, reduce the refresh rate to 60 Hz, especially when gaming, as the default higher rates consume more power. Next, manage your apps effectively. Close unused apps to stop them from running in the background. Restrict background app refresh for power-intensive apps like social media, which can cause continuous drain. If needed, force quit any rogue apps that seem to be causing issues. For charging, enable optimized battery charging to avoid keeping the phone at 100% for long periods. Avoid exposing the phone to extreme temperatures while charging, as heat accelerates battery wear. When you can, use slower charging methods to reduce stress on the battery. Finally, regularly check your battery health in Settings under Battery. A healthy battery should show above 95% maximum capacity when new. Keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version, as updates often include fixes for battery-related bugs.